Open up the layer's contents, animate, position. Under Animator 1, Y position to 75. Under Range Selector, offset to -100, press the stopwatch. Move over on the timeline, offset to 100%. Under Advanced, shape to ramp up, ease low to 90%. Name Animator 1, Position 1. Duplicate Position 1. Under Position 2, Y position -25. Under Advanced, ease low to 60%, ease high to 60%. Move Position 2's keyframes over 5 frames on the timeline. Duplicate Position 2. Under Position 3, Y position to 10. Under Range Selector, Advanced, ease high to 30, ease low to 30. Move Position 3 over 5 frames on the timeline. Under Position 1, add Property, Opacity. Opacity to 0%. Subscribe for more tutorials.